Countries around the world use a variety of currencies, each reflecting their economic sovereignty and cultural identity. The United States operate with the US dollar, USD, one of the most widely traded and recognized currency globally. In Europe, the euro is shared by 20 countries including France, Germany and Italy as part of the European Union majority nation and Union. The United Kingdom, however, retains the pound sterling now for its historical prominence in global finance. Switzerland uses the Swiss francs and renewed for its ability in Asia. Japan currency, the yen, is a key player in international market, while China yuan and renminbi continue to grow in influence as the country economic expand. India uses the Indian rupees, reflecting its vibrant and growing economy, while South Korea uses the South Korean won. In the Middle East, countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar use the Saudi Riyal and the Qatari Riyal, reflected and respectively backed by the significant oil revenues. The United Arab Emirates utilize the UAE dirham, while Israel operates with the Israeli new shekel. Africa showcases diverse currencies such as the Nigerian naira, the South African rand, and the Egyptian pound and the Kenyan shilling. Many Western African nations, including the Senegal and Ivory Coast, share the Western African, while countries in Central Africa use the Central African CFA francs, both pegged to the euro. Australia and New Zealand use the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, reflecting their unique identities in the Pacific region. Canada currency is the Canadian dollar, which mirrors its close economic ties. The United States in South area, Brazil uses area Brazilian real. Egypt operates with the peso. The Chile uses the Chile peso, all of which face same levels on inflation and economic challenge. Mexico in North America uses the Mexican peso, a key currency in Latin America. In Russia, the ruble in the currency, while Turkey uses the Turkish lira. Scandinavian countries have distinct currencies: Sweden krona, Norway krone, and Denmark krone, all which are highly valued for their stability. Smaller nations have unique currencies such as the krona and the often closely and Tongan Pangama top. This rich diversity of currencies underscores the unique economic landscape and histories of nations across the globe, influencing trade, tourism, and global finance.